Hi, in this video, I'm going to practice Kulitan or the Sulat Kapampangan. So let's start. Before we start, I'm going to introduce to you what are the materials that I'm going to use. First, the words. My copy I printed. I'll put a link in the description. Pencil, eraser, and notebook. Let's start. Let's write in Kulitan the word malago. Let's write the word masanting in Kulitan, but please, I'm not so sure. I was too nervous when I was writing that. Let's write the word tagana in Kulitan. Let's write in Kulitan the word dapat. Let's write the word mayak in Kulitan. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button. If you want to learn Kulitan, please join this group. I put the important links that are related to this video. I hope that you enjoyed my video. So, bye-bye.